Motivational YouTube channels without faces are such a cool idea, especially for creators who want to keep their privacy but still make an impact. Let's dive into this concept. 1. Find your motivation. Nika motivation for life, productivity, morning routines, etc. Financial motivation for money mindset, business grind, etc. Fitness motivation for discipline, health goals, etc. Student motivation for exams, focus, exam prep, etc. Entrepreneur motivation for startups, failures to success, etc. Tip: be specific when choosing your niche. You can always broaden later. 2. Pick your content style. Since it's faceless, you can choose voiceover plus stock footage like nature scenes, gym clips, sunrise. Text on screen plus background music. No need for voice. Animated storytelling, whiteboard animations, AI avatars. Podcast-style clips, motivational quotes with simple background. 3. Plan your content. Video ideas. Rise and shine at AM. Change your life. Don't give up. Why most people quit. Inspiring quotes for success. Stay consistent even when it's tough. Never give up. Lessons from Elon Musk. Tip: mix short and long-term videos for quicker growth. 4. Essential tools. Editing software: CapCut, VN Editor, Adobe Premiere Pro, VoiceOver, Your Voice, AI Voice like 11 Labs, or hire freelancers. Stock footage: Pexels, Pixabay, Storyblocks. Background music: YouTube Audio Library, Epidemic Sound. 5. Posting strategy. Post 3-5 shorts weekly. Motivational one-liners, clips. Post 1-2 full videos weekly, 2 to 10 minutes. Use motivational hashtags: motivation, hashtag inspiration, hashtag never give up. Optimize thumbnails, bold text, never give up, wake up early. Batch produce 5-10 videos in advance. 6. Making money. YouTube AdSense. Run ads on your videos. Affiliate products. Partner with relevant products. Sell digital products. Create courses, books. 7. Branding your channel. Channel name. Choose a strong name. Rise mindset, relentless souls. Logo and banner. Minimal, bold fonts. Maybe a sunrise or mountain symbol. Intro or outro. Short intro with energetic music. 8. Tips for success. Consistency is key. Focus on emotion. Use powerful voice, engaging music. Optimize thumbnails. Batch produce videos. Need help with 1. Creative channel names. 2. Initial video script. 3. Best AI tools for voice. Thanks for your time. Excited to help with your awesome Faceless Motivation channel.